Hi everybody, welcome to the first video, Cooking with Grace and Brian.
Today we're making cinnamon whipped cream.
Yes, so we just moved into his apartment and we're getting our kitchen together, so we're working with what we have.
Which isn't much.
Not much.
But it will be good in the end.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so first we're going to take our mixing bowl and we're putting in some heavy cream. This is a cup of heavy cream. I've got 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste, which is much better than vanilla extract if you ask me. Alright, and now my lovely, lovely husband is going to be doing the whisking for me because he's much stronger.
We're going to be whisking this by hand. It does take a little bit of time, but one thing that makes it easier is using a cold bowl and making sure your cream is very cold. Just using side-to-side motions is all you need. Well, first I'll just make sure all the ingredients are incorporated.
Alright, now Brian's been whisking for probably 30 seconds now, and as you can see the ribbons are already starting in the cream. And you could always use a hand or a stand mixer or a hand whisk, electric whisk.
Or even a blender.
Yep, I've made it in my NutriBullet before, and it came out perfect.
You can see we're almost there. I'm going to get it a little bit more thick. You can do it to your desired thickness. Alright, so we're just about there. This is a nice thickness.
And he's only been whisking for probably, I don't know, what did you say, like a minute?
Yeah, whisking for like a minute 30 seconds, and it's there. So it's really easy to do by hand. I love doing it by hand. You have more control over it. Alright, so I'm just going to give it a quick taste. This is really, you can add any ingredients you'd like, make it the flavor you want.
How's it taste, Brian?
It's actually very good. It's a mild cinnamon flavor, so if you want a stronger cinnamon flavor, you can add probably up to, I'd say even double that amount if you want like a really strong flavor. But a little bit sweet. I mean, it's actually a pretty strong cinnamon flavor. Like, it's very pronounced, but if you want really strong, you can add more or add less to your liking. Crap. You guys just saw me put my teaspoon back.
Number one mistake.
You want to try?
Yes.
On camera or no?
Mmm. Actually, it's really good.
Really good, just like that.
That's perfect. Some uses for the delicious cinnamon whipped cream that you just made. You could put it on pancakes, waffles, you could put it on French toast, or you could do what we like to do, which is just eat it by the spoonful.
And thanks for watching this episode of Cooking with Brian and Grace, and we hope to see you next time.
Enjoy!
Enjoy.